Today we are going to discuss case of Banne Singh Shekhawat versus Jhunjhunu Academy Court, National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission NCDRC. It comes under category of consumer protection and education rights. Key legal aspects: deficiency of service by educational institutions.
Case background: the complainant's daughter was a student at Jhunjhunu Academy and passed her class 12th examination in 2013. She requested a transfer certificate and refund of her caution money on June 17, 2013. Dispute: the school demand 10,000 rupees as a precondition for issuing the transfer certificate, despite on outstanding dues. This demand prevents the daughter from getting admission to another college in academic session 2013 and 14. Legal proceedings: the complainants filed a consumer complaint with the district forum seeking compensation of 4,50,000. The case was later heard by the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission (NCDRC), which awarded 50,000 in compensation to the complainant.
In this case, key issues were unlawful demand. The Academy's demand for Rs 10,000 for issuing the transfer certificate was deemed unlawful. Second key issue was deficiency in service. The Academy's action were considered a deficiency in service, causing the complainant's daughter to miss the academic session 2013-14. Third key issue was compensation. The National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission (NCDRC) awarded Rs 50,000 in compensation to the complainant, citing the Academy's wrongful act.
District Forum decision: the District Forum initially heard the case and awarded compensation to the complainant. However, the exact amount and details of the decision are not publicly available. NCDRC decision: the NCDRC later modified the District Forum's decision, directly Jhunjhunu Academy to pay 50,000 rupees in compensation to complainant. The NCDRC held that the Academy's action constitute a deficiency in service as they wrongfully prevented the complainant's daughter from getting admission to the another college, the Academy session 2013-14.
State Commission's decision in the case of Banne Singh Shekhawat versus Jhunjhunu Academy was later modified by the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission's NCDRC. Key points of NCDRC's decision: deficiency in service. The NCDRC held that the Academy's action constituted a deficiency in service, as they wrongfully prevented the complainant's daughter from getting admission to a college in the current session. Compensation: the NCDRC modified the State Commission's order directing the Academy to pay 50,000 in compensation to the complainant within a month. Implications: NCDRC recognized that wasting a year in a student's career has significant implications for their jobs and promotion prospect.
Key points of the NCDRC rulings: deficiency in service: the Academy's action contribute a deficiency in service, causing harm to the student. Compensation: the NCDRC awarded 50,000 rupees in compensation to the complainant. Implication: the ruling highlights the importance of educational institutions providing timely and effective services to students.
Legal implications: educational institution cannot demand money for issuing TCs. Wrongful prevention: the Academy's action wrongfully prevented the complainant's daughter from getting admission to a college in the current session, resulting in wastage of one academic year. Consumer Protection Act: the case falls under the purview of Consumer Protection Act, emphasizing the need for the educational institution to adhere to fair practices and respect students' rights.
Conclusion. The case of Banne Singh Shekhawat versus Jhunjhunu Academy conclude with the National Consumer Dispute Residence Commission (NCDRC) ruling in favor of complainant. The academy was directed to pay rupees 50,000 in compensation for their deficiency in service, which wrongfully prevented the complainant's daughter from getting admission to another college in the academic session 2013-14. Key takeaways: deficiency in service. The academic session action were deemed a deficiency in service. Compensation: the NCDRC awarded 50,000 rupees in compensation to the complainant. Importance of timely service. The ruling highlights the importance of educational institutes providing timely and effective services to students. Implication: Educational institute. The case emphasizes the need for educational institute to respect students' rights and provide fair services. Consumer protection. The ruling reinforces the importance of consumer protection in the educational sector.